Did you hear that run, guys? That's what we're going to be learning today, guys. Stay tuned. This is Roland Blazay, KompaKeyboardSchool.com. What's going on? This is Roland Blazay, and you're at KompaKeyboardSchool.com. We got a lesson for you. Listen up. Harmonik's album murdered it. Guys, they have a song in their album that's been hitting at every club. It's called Pral Gen Zen, Pral Gen Zen. Guys, and watch this. This is what Nikki does in the solos. It's the second solo that gets me, guys. This is what he does, look. All right, guys. Now, if you need compa sounds or if you need to learn compa from scratch, remember to go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com, where you can find compa sounds, lessons, everything you need, sounds, whatever you need, guys, KompaKeyboardSchool.com. Now, I got plenty of other videos that break down elements of compa, but let's get started, guys. So today, Harmonik Pral Gen Zen is hitting, guys, hitting. I've been to clubs and I've seen them perform. That song is hitting. The guitar grooves, the keyboardist, everything. What's so special, guys, about this solo? I like the runs that he does. Someone commented on my last video, you need to teach compa runs. So let's get started, guys. Watch the run that he does. But before we get into the runs, we're going to say what key and what chord progression we're in, guys. What key are we in? We're in B flat. At the end of this video, I will show you how to do the solo in C also. But we're going to stick to B flat for now since that's the original key. Let's get started, guys. What's your chord progression? It's B flat major, E flat major, F major, E flat major. So it's your 1 in the scale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it's your 4, 5, 5. Then it's your 5. Then it's 4. So it's 1, 4, 5, 4. So guys, Nikki does a lot of nice things in this song. So what does he do here? He takes, instead of, this is your 1. This is your primary note. This is B flat. Your root note is what they call it in music theory. But he takes the 5th, the F. Why? Because F is a part of your B flat. So this is what he does. You see how it sounds different when you move the binder up? So what did I do? I went F, F, B flat, F, which is a part of your B flat major chord. Now you hear that. That means I'm moving over to the E flat major. So F, F, B flat, F. Now I'm at E flat major. But I don't use the E flat, I use G plus B. And then I hit the A and C, which is a part of what? My F major. So, you saw that G, B flat, and A, C, and then he walks up in the F chord. You see what I did? F, F, A, E flat. Then I hit the E flat inverted, which is G, B flat, E flat. And then I hit the regular B flat major. And this is the part that I love, guys, because I learned a few things in this solo too. So right now we're going straight to the B flat major, but he goes higher. So this is what he does. He takes the 3rd and the 5th, which is D and F. And this is what he does. He takes the 4th of that chord and slides down. Real fast. You have to have good fingering. All your fingers have to be on the notes. And I'm going to slow it down. E flat, D, C, B flat. You see what he does? He walks back up. C, D, E flat. So if you do that over and over again, your fingers will get used to it. And he does the same thing on F. The same pattern. So let's do that again. Then he goes to the E flat, and he does the same pattern, but he lands on this, which is a part of your E flat, it's B. Then he goes straight to the F and does the same pattern, which is taking your third note and your fifth note and walking from the fourth note. And then he does this. Then he restarts the solo. And then he does this. So the first one is, which is 5, 3, 5, 4, 3, 4. Then he does this. 2, 1, 7, 9. So we're going to try it with a beat, guys, and let's see how this goes. So guys, I just played an and a beat. The only thing is, this is in C. So we're going to do the solo in C. So I'm about to show you guys. Same pattern, same techniques. Know your numbers, guys. Go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com. Guys, remember the second solo? Watch this, guys. Alright guys, check out KompaKeyboardSchool.com. This is Roland Blazay signing out. Hey guys, this is Roland Blazay. One thing I want to tell you that Kompa, you will learn Kompa, you will know how to play. And we've just released the official beginner's Kompa course. In the Kompa course, you will learn the key, how to find the key, what is the key, scales, chords, Kompa chords, Kompa chord progressions, the number system. You will learn minor chord progressions, Kompa rhythm. In this Kompa course, how to choke, simple solo tips, you will know how to start your journey off playing Kompa. For $19.99, this Kompa course has just been released. Go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com. It will be the first link on the top of the page, and you will begin to know how to play Kompa in no time. Most of the key elements to Kompa keyboard playing is in this course. So guys, do not wait, do not hesitate. Get your Kompa course now and start playing Kompa right where you're at.
Something that's good for me.